In this blog, we will try to set the path of our Flutter SDK permanently on your Mac operating system here. So till now you might be facing an error ZSH command not found. So yes, this tutorial is much helpful for you. In future you will not be getting that error again by following this complete tutorial here. In our previous tutorial we have tried to set the path, but it's a temporary way of setting. So now we will try to set our path permanently here. Is our Flutter documentation here for updating our path permanently using this terminal here. So now let us try to run the command vim colon slash dot zshrc. So here there is only space between vim and this particular command. So now I have already set this particular command. I have set my path permanently on my system, so I will be getting a caution message from the terminal here. But don't worry, when you tap on enter you will be directly redirected to the screen. So here I am just trying to read the file here because my path is already set. So I'm just entering O here. So when you type the vim command you will be directly redirected to this particular screen here, where it will ask you to specify your path here. So here you need to copy this particular code here, so path to the directory here. So this is my directory here. Inside the downloads folder I have my Flutter SDK there. So I have specified my path here, and for specifying your path you need to type I button here. You need to tap on the I button, so it will be saying the insert here. It is showing me a warning message because I am just reading the file to show you how I have set my path. So here you need to specify your path, and after specifying the path just tap on the escape button in your keyboard. So after typing escape you need to enter a command now here. So I'm going to type my command here colon wq. So after this just tap on the enter button here and you will be redirected back to the screen. And now you can just reopen the terminal here. I will try to reopen the terminal, and when you try to run command flutter version you can see the Flutter will automatically get recognized on your system and it will provide the correct version available at this particular moment on your system. So this is a way to set the path permanently on your Mac operating system if you are using Catalina or above. And if you are using the below Catalina versions of operating system, do let me know in the comment section below. I will try to help you how to fix your path in older versions of Mac. So if you like this tutorial, do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content.